Hi all, so today's video is very important because we are really hearing some kind of news like recession, layoff, and lot of people lost their job. That kind of news we are seeing in through the internet, right? So sometimes we also fear, oh, what happened? This kind of thing happen in our life, right? So we can do some kind of thing in our life. We take our responsibility for our life and we make some plan A, plan B, and also you must upskill every day. So if you get an 1 hour time, try to upskill it. If you are a software engineer, upskill in the latest languages and try to build your brain power into some kind of efficient level. And if you are a data engineer, you can move into the cloud. You can learn new technologies like cloud, and you can implement various projects in your laptops. So it will help you to become a valuable employee, and you also become feel very confident when you build these kind of thing. I think how this kind of information will help you. We can do some kind of thing through the community, data community. I will also provide, I think, lot of people who are freely provide lot of information to you. Try to follow them, and you can do whatever you have. If you have get a time at the morning at 1 hour, spend it and upskill it. And if you get a time to at the night, you can upskill it anytime. But you need a mindset, I can do anything. Okay, bye.